If you've been looking at Semrush, you'll know that it's one of the most powerful SEO and AI visibility tracking tools available, but that it's also fairly expensive. There is a free trial of Semrush available, but normally speaking, this lasts just 7 days. And to be honest, that's not really enough time to get a full sense of how everything works. But if you know how, there is a way to access exclusive 14-day free trials of Semrush 1, Semrush Pro, or Semrush Guru. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get your hands on all of these. And I'll tell you which trial I think is the best one too. Step 1. Click the Style Factory trial link. Because we're an affiliate partner of Semrush, we can share exclusive links that give our community access to double-length trials of Semrush 1, Semrush Pro, and Semrush Guru. I've dropped these in the video description. Simply go there and click on the trial that you'd like to try out. For most users, I recommend the Semrush 1 trial, because this gives you access to all of Semrush's key SEO and AI visibility tracking tools in one place. Now, please note that the links I've shared are affiliate links, so we may get a commission if you end up buying a Semrush subscription through them. This is at no cost to you, and it funds our work. So if you do end up using one, thank you. Step 2. Create a Semrush account. When you click one of our affiliate links, you'll end up on a special Semrush free trial page. Click the Try for 14 Days button to start the sign-up process. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. This sets up your free Semrush account, but you're not quite done yet. Step 3. Activate your 14-day trial. Once you've created a free Semrush account, you'll be asked to enter your credit card details in order to start your extended trial. This may seem a bit off-putting, but it's important to note that your card will only be charged if you don't cancel your trial before your 14 days are up. And that's it. You've now got access to your double-length Semrush free trial. To make sure you get other offers from Style Factory, along with access to all our digital marketing tips and tricks, please like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. Finally, if you have any queries about the extended Semrush free trial, do feel free to leave them in the comments section of this video. We read them all and will do our best to help.